In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Wayfair, your one-stop online destination for all things home. Whether you're searching for that perfect piece of furniture, some charming decor, or new outdoor equipment, Wayfair has a wide range of selections that might just be what you need. Let's jump into how you can explore this vast online store right from the comfort of your own home. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your web browser and type in wayfair.com. This will take you straight to their homepage, which is beautifully laid out with different categories and featured products. Wayfair specializes in making your browsing experience as smooth as possible. On the homepage, you'll see various categories such as furniture, decor, and outdoor furnishings. These categories help streamline your search and make it easier to find what you're looking for. Now, let's say you've spent some time exploring and picking some items that caught your eye. The next step is to head over to the cart. Doing this is as simple as clicking on the cart icon, usually found on the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a detailed list of all the items you've added during your browsing. From here, you have the chance to review everything before making a final decision. This stage is particularly useful if you want to ensure you've picked the right color, size, or quantity of an item, or even just to double check your overall budget. Wayfair has made it super convenient by providing detailed descriptions and even related product suggestions right at your fingertips. This way, you can make informed decisions and maybe even discover complementary items that would enhance your purchase. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Wayfair has designed this process to be straightforward and secure, prioritizing your convenience and peace of mind. They offer multiple payment options and sometimes even provide enticing discounts or promotions that could make your purchase even more affordable. As you complete your purchase, keep an eye out for Wayfair's delivery and return policies, which they clearly outline. These are important to know to make sure your shopping experience from start to finish goes as smoothly as possible. So, there you have it, a simple guide to navigating and making purchases on Wayfair.com. By following these steps, you can easily find and purchase all the home essentials you need. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping on Wayfair.